Here at our office, we drive to do the best for our patients. It just gives them back the smile. It's a big satisfaction for us. No matter what the case is, it's like just seeing the smile or crying after the final result. It's a big satisfaction for us.
Oh, what a difference. Now I can smile and as far as investing in the procedure and everything, it has been one of the best. My only regret is I should have done it earlier.
Over the next, I'd say, year, so many people would see me and they would comment on how I had lost weight or something had changed, and they thought that I'd been doing all this stuff. And while I may had lost a few pounds, it was honestly the teeth.
Not having the random jaw pain, the mouth pain from, a cavity or a tooth breaking, not having to worry about that, that's just, phenomenal. Like I said, they're there, I know they're there, but they pretty much just part of the background. I don't have to worry about it, which makes things a lot easier, a lot more comfortable.
Here at Houston Dental Aesthetics, we understand when patients come to our office, most of them, they come for major work, and for that reason, they come with anxiety. So we make sure when they come to our office to make them feel relaxed, to make them feel comfortable, that we're their friends. They're human beings we're trying to help. And we make sure when we sit with our patients, like we listen to them and they get all our attention and they know that we're focused on to give them the best treatment.
So many times before, I just felt like a patient. I'd go in, they'd treat whatever the issue was, and off I went. Whereas this experience was a lot more about getting me to that final place where my whole mouth looked good. All of my teeth were fixed.
Before coming to Houston Dental Aesthetic, I didn't have a good relationship with a dentist. But Dr. Saba, Dr. Frangi reintroduced that kind of relationship in a positive way. They convinced me that dentists are your friends. They can help you. Even it's painful, the procedure, but it's for your benefit at the end.
Well, working with my wife here at the practice, we both prosthetics. We complement each other. Sometimes I do things that she doesn't like to do, or she does things that I don't like to do. But we both like what we do, we love what we do, and we love treating our patients. We care for our patients. We have the same philosophy. So having two doctors working with the same patients, the patients love that, they feel more confident.
Alberto and Carolina are very professional, and they are they're extreme perfectionists. Yes, I would definitely say that. I do construction and they do construction of the mouth, and the 3D printing, the 3D scanning, it takes it to a new level of perfection.
The two of them, the two doctors, are just wonderful together. They're both, very knowledgeable what they do. And they do a wonderful job sitting down and making sure that you're involved in the process. You understand what's going on, you have ownership of what's going on. I've recommended them to a few other people. You're looking for this? Here, go talk to this person. They know what they're doing. And if they don't come, well, that's their loss.
So our goal here, it's always to give the best smile for the patients. It's the smile that they've been looking for, or the smile they've been dreaming of. And that's the kind of satisfaction we get. So that's the kind of goal that we look for, and that's the kind of results we're giving to our patients.